One of the biggest hidden challenges inside organizations isn't technology, isn't competition, it's not even talent, it's financial stress. Financial stress affects focus, it affects productivity, it affects engagement. And when people bring financial pressure from home into the workplace, everybody pays the price. My name is Ravi Gabis. I'm entrepreneur, investor, author, and international speaker. I help organizations develop resilient, accountable, and financially confident employees so they can perform better under pressure.
Wow, I just listened to a talk by Ravi Gabis, and he nailed something I haven't stopped thinking about. He said most people don't fail because they lack talent. They fail because financial stress quietly steals confidence and their focus. If your people are silently carrying that kind of pressure, Ravi is the voice they need.
And this isn't something I learned from a textbook. I was born and raised in Russia. When I was 13 years old, my father left our family. I still remember my mother sitting at the kitchen table, 4 children, no money, trying to figure out how she was going to feed us. At the same time, my younger brother joined a criminal gang. My older brother was moving in the same direction. In the city where I grew up, mafia groups were part of everyday reality. Honestly, I could have followed the same path. I didn't. I made a different decision. Years later, after owning a PhD and building a successful career, I thought I had finally figured life out. Then one morning, I looked at my phone and read 3 words: "You are fired." Everything changed. Later, after building a business that sold millions of dollars across the country, I experienced another setback. My top manager secretly built a competing company and left with customers, employees, and years of work. In both situations, I learned the same lesson. Success isn't determined by circumstances. It's determined by how we respond to them. That's why I teach what I call the Gabis method. Goals, accountability, beliefs, income, systems.
The presentation that Ravi gave us was so clear, was such a fresh, good way to start the day. And I came away just inspired and encouraged. He gave me some more tools to use. He gave me a model to follow. Thumbs up for that. Ravi did a great job.
Financial confidence is not created by income. Financial confidence is created by systems. When people build financial confidence, they become more focused, more resilient, more productive, better decision makers, better teammates, and better leaders. Before every event, I work closely with organizers to understand their audience, their challenges, and the outcomes they want to create. Every keynote is customized around the goals of the organization, the culture of the team, and the results the buyer wants to achieve. If your people are struggling with financial stress, uncertainty, disengagement, or lack of ownership, I would love to help. Because after everything I've experienced, poverty, gangs, job loss, betrayal, business setbacks, immigration, and starting over multiple times, I learned one thing: financial freedom doesn't begin in your bank account. It begins in your decisions.